Good day, everyone. For today's collaborative meeting, we will be talking about the 10 features that can be added to our each repositories. So first, let's talk about the Misibo Messenger. The things that we can add on the Misibo Messenger is number one is voice record. I think it can provide the option to send voice message by recording directly in the chat, allowing quick hands-free communication. Uh, Next one is user note allows user to create private notes within the app for personal reference, such as reminders or important messages. And user My Day, feature similar to Instagram stories where user can post status, updates, photos, or short videos that last for 24 hours visible to their contacts.
For me, this here's other some features that we can add to our repositories. Then the first one is the group polls. In this feature, will enable users to create polls within a group chat, allowing members to vote on topics, plans, or decision quickly. Then other feature is the background themes. This will allow users to customize the appearance of their chat interface by choosing different background colors, patterns, or themes, providing a more personalized experience. And the last one is the forgot password. This provides a secure password recovery option via email or phone number to help users reset their passwords.
Hello, we are the group that is collaborating with a group of the messaging applications. For me, a feature that they can provide in order to make their application more viable or more uh, great on the customer experience is a group album where they can automatically collect all media, images, videos, files, or any type of media that the user sent, which is shared within a group chat into an organized album, allowing easy access and browsing.
Thank you. For my feature, you can add some message pinning where it allows important messages to be pinned at the top of the chat for easy reference. It ensures important information isn't lost in active conversations.
Another great feature that can be added is a scheduled message, just like on Google Mail or emails that we are familiar of. It lets users schedule messages to be sent at a specific date and time, which is useful for reminders, announcement, or timed communications.
Another feature I can suggest is group mentions, where you can tag or mention your specific group members in a group by using the @ symbol that notifies them directly.
Hello, we are the group for re- that took up the repository of attendance management system, and here are some of our inputs on the features that we can provide for the betterment of the repository that we took. So one is the consecutive absences alarm. This is a feature that sets up custom alerts for specific absences threshold or consecutive amounts of absences that alerts the faculty or the users or even the students when the students took up more than one consecutive absent. So another one is a color-coded status. This gives a color-coded legend to student attendance to make it more easily identifiable for the users. And the next one is a custom attendance categories. This feature creates custom categories to provide more detailed reports for students' absences, which are examples of excused absences, late with reason, and other excuses for the absence of the student.
For other features that we brainstormed, are feedback form. The feedback form it allows teachers to share their opinions and suggest improvements. Their feedback will help us improve our system and ensure that the system are more user friendly and efficient for their teaching needs. Second is forgot password. It allows the users to reset their passwords if they forget it. By entering their registered email, they receive a reset link, enabling them to create a new password and regain their access to their accounts. Lastly, the registration for new accounts of teachers. In the admin side, the teachers are registered by the admin by giving them quick access to the system. Once registered, the teachers can manage tasks like taking student attendance and ensuring the smooth and efficient onboarding process.
And for me, this kind of picture that I will going to talk is something you can add in your repositories, like the student profile picture. It will put the picture of the student beside the name to make the student more identifiable. Then the other one is the student sorting. It will provide the user an option to sort student alphabetically or by attendance status for easier navigation.
I think that you can add attendance reminder. So it can give the faculty a reminder if the attendance is not taken within a specified amount of time. And I think you can add teacher note, provide a small text box for teachers to leave notes about attendance or special instruction or explanations. So I think that's all for this meeting. Thank you for stopping by. That's all. Thank you.